Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. So today in this video I will cover class 8 maths chapter number 7 cubes and cube root exercise 7.2. So come to the first question. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the cube root. Means we have to find cube root, means 64 is whose cube root. Okay, 64 is whose cube root. So symbol is what? Symbol is this, isn't it? Cube root. So 64 is whose cube root we have to find by using what? By using factorization method. Okay, so come to the solution of this. We will find the factor of 64. Factor of 64. So we know how to find factor, isn't it? First you will start with 2. How much? 32 time, again 2, 16 time, 2, 8 time, 2, 4 time, and 2, 2 time, and 2, 1 are 2. So what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we got, isn't it? 6, 2 we got. So that means you will write. So this is the symbol of cube root, isn't it? This is the symbol of cube root. So you will write 64 inside the cube root. Then again this is equal to cube root of how many 2 we got? We got 1 group through 2 group, isn't it? How many? 2 triplets group we got. That means so you got how much? 2 groups or 3 groups, isn't it? So you will write 2 into 2. Why we are writing 2 into 2? Means for these groups we will write 1 2, and for this group you will write 1 2. So for this 1 2, and for all this 1 2. That means how many 2? 2 2s. That means 2 2s are how much? 4. That means cube root of 64 is what? Cube root of 64 is 4. Understood? So for 3 group you will write only one time. Okay, for one group you will write only one time, and for another group you will write one more 2. Instead, if you will get 3 into 3 into 3, then for this 3 we will write only 1 3. Okay, for this 3 2 we will write only 1, and for this 3 2 again we will write only 1 2. So in this way we will solve. Okay, now come to the next question. So next question is what? 100. Next question is 512, isn't it? This is given 512. So again you will do what? You will find a factor for this. So how much you will get? First you will do with 256. If you will divide 256 with 2, you will get 128. Then again 128 you will get 64. Again then you will get 32. Then 16. Then 8. Then 4, then 2, then 1. So we got all this, isn't it? So how many 2 we got? Here one pair, one more pair, and one more pair. So 3 groups of 2 we got, isn't it? 3 triplets of 2 we got. So you will write this. For this 3 pair you will write only 1 2, and for this also 1 2, and for this also 1 2. So that means how many 2 we got? We got 3 2, isn't it? So 2 into 2 into 2 is how much? 8. So 512 is whose cube root? 8 cube root. Understood? In this way you will solve. Now one more question. 10,648. Now you will find the factor of this. First it will divisible with 2, isn't it? How many times? 5,324. Then again it will be divisible with 2. How many times? 2,662. Then again it will go with 2. How many times? 1331. Now you can see 1331 is not divisible with any other number except 11. Okay, it is not divisible with 3, it is not divisible with 2, it is not divisible with 4 5 6. So in this way it is divisible only with what? 11. Okay, so 11 how many times? 11 121 time you will get 1331. Then again 121 is divisible with 11. How many times? 11 times. Now 11 1 so 11. That means we got 2 groups, isn't it? So one is of 2 and one is 11. Okay, so one is of 2 and one is 11. So if you will multiply this 2, 11 into 2, you will get how much? 22. How much we got? 22. That means this is cube root of whose value? This is cube root of 22. Okay, this is cube root of 22. Now I will show one more question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is given how much? 27,000. Now 27,000 you will find the prime factor in this way. So this is the prime factor of 2700. You can see first it is divisible with 2 how many times? 1300, 500. Then again 1300, 500 is also divisible with 2 how many times? You have to do divide. Okay, how to find out this value? You will do divide like this. This is divisible with 2, isn't it? First it will go 6 times 12, then 7 times 14, then 10 how many times? 5, then 0. So you will write here 0. So how much? 6750. Now again this will be divisible with what? This will be again divisible with 2. So in that way you will find all the factors. So here is all the factors. Then 3375 is not divisible with 2, so this will be divisible with 3. Now again 1125 is again divisible with 3. Again 375 is also divisible with 3. Then we got 125. Now 125 is not divisible with 3, so that is divisible with 5. Then 25, then 5. Okay, then we got 5. So how many pair we got here? We got this is of 1 pair. So for this we will write 1 2. Okay, now again 3 3 3. So for this 3 we will write only 1 3 because we are making a triplets. Okay, now again 4 1 2 3 3 5 are there. So for this you will write 1 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. So 27,000 is cube root of whose number? 30 number. Okay, 30 number. So now the next remaining 2 question. Sorry, not only 2 questions is remaining. Let me show how many questions are. Now this remaining question 5 6 7 8 9 10. This question is your homework. Okay, I have explained how to solve this. So try to solve all this homework question. Okay, try to solve this by yourself. Okay, for maths how much you will do practice, that much you will know. Okay, so you have to do more practice to be good in a maths. So practice all this which I have done. You can practice that question also with me, and which I have kept as a homework. So that one also try to do yourself, and if you will face any problem, doubt, you can ask me. Okay, you can comment below in the comment section. So now question number 2 is given what? Question number 2 is given here. It is given true, state true or false, isn't it? We have to state true or false. Now cube of any odd number is even. So this is what? False. In the introduction part I have explained. So cube of odd number will be again odd only, isn't it? So I have explained in the introduction part also. So this will be what? False. Okay, this answer will be false. Now what is the second question? Come to the second question. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. So yes, correct. Okay, a perfect cube will not end with 2 zeros. If there will be 2 zeros, suppose 100. Now 100 is not a perfect cube. Okay, so this will be what? True. Now question number 3. If square of a number end with 5, then its cube end with 25. So is it true or false? So this is what? False. A number end with 5 will end with 5, not 25. Okay, so this is false. Now 4 question. There is no perfect cube which end with 8. So this will be what? False, because if you will find the cube of 2, then we will get 8. That means 8 can be a n number, isn't it? 8 can be a n number. So 4 will be also false. Okay, 4 is also false. Now the cube of 2 digit number may be in 3 digit number. So cube of 2 digit number, cube of 2 digit number means 21. How many digits are there? 2 digit is there, isn't it? That means it is said the cube of 2 digit number may be a 3 digit number. So may be a 3 digit number is given. So this will be what? False. Okay, cube of 2 digit number will be not of 3 digit. That will be more than 2 digit. Okay, so this is again false. Now 6th question. The cube of 2 digit number may have 7 or more digit. Now again 7 is also too much. It will be not a number of 7 digit. Okay, it will be of 4 or 5 digit. So now 7th question. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. So yes, this is true, because single digit number means what? 1, isn't it? So 1 cube is 1. Again 2 cube is also single, and 2 cube is what? 8. So cube of single digit can be a single number also in some case. Okay, not in every case, but in some case it is true. So these are true. So this is the true or false of this question. So now I will clean all this. Question number 3. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube root of 4913 and 12,167 and 32,768. Now you have to guess 1331 is a perfect, whose perfect cube, okay, whose perfect cube. That means you have to by heart also all this, but we have tricked, okay, we have also a trick to find out by seeing the number. We can say this is whose cube, okay. So this will be of 11 cube, because a number end with 1, okay, a number end with 1. If you will do cube, that number will end with what? 1 only. So it can be what? 11, okay, it can be 11. So let me check. Now we know that what is the number? Number is means more than 1000, isn't it? More than 1000. So 1000 is whose cube root? We know 10 cube root is 10 cube is what? 10 cube is 1000, isn't it? 10 cube is how much? 1000. So this is 1331. That means more than 1000. So more than 1000. So possible cube will be what? 11, isn't it? More than 1000 means, and the last digit is what? 1. Last digit is 1. That means the number will also be end with 1. So here is 1 already, is there 10, isn't it? So what will come here? 1. So obviously the answer will be what? 11 cube. Why? Since cube of unit digit 1 cube is what? 1, isn't it? So 1 cube unit digit is what? 1, means the unit place is 1. Therefore cube root of 1331 is what? 11. Okay, now come to the next another question. What is given here? Here it is given 4913. 4913. So let us check this question. So what we know? We know a number. If you here it is 3, isn't it? 3 is the last digit. 3 is what? 3 is last digit. If 3 is last digit, then that number is cube of a unit digit of 7, okay, because 7 unit digit cube will be end with 3. We know this, isn't it? So we know that 7 cube is equal to how much? 343. So next number comes with 7. So next number come with 7. So if you will write 27, so 27 cube root will be bigger than 4913, isn't it? Because you can if you will add 1, so what is the possible? Only possible is to add 1. That means it will become 17. So next number come with 7 as a unit place will be 17 cube. So 17 cube answer will be what? 49 and 13. 4913. Hence the cube root of 4913 will be 7 only. Why it is supposed? We know what we have learned. We have learned is the unit place is 3, then that number should be a cube of 7, okay, cube of 7. Now cube of 7 is only, cube of 7 is how much? 343. Now what is our given number? Our given number is 4913. So which is much many more bigger than 343. So what number we will add with 7? Okay, what number we will add with 7 in the next? If I will add 2, 27 cube. Now we can say 27 cube will be bigger than 4913, because if you will find the cube of 20, cube of 20 is how much? 8000, isn't it? So this is smaller than 8000. So only possible is here what? Only possible is we can add what? 1, isn't it? What we can add? 1, 17. So 17 without doing, we are not doing factorization, isn't it? Without doing factorization also we can guess, okay. In some question we can guess what will be the cube root of the given number. So what will be the cube root of the given number? The only possible is what? 17, okay. Only possible value will be 17. Now come to the next is given how much? Next is given 12,167. Now again here 12,167. Now if The unit place is 7, so that should be a cube of whose number? That should be a cube of 3 number. Now what you will add here? If you will add 13, so 13 cube will be how much? 13 cube will be less than 12,167. Okay, that will be less. Okay, so we can add what? We can add here you can see. Now next number with 3 as one digit is suppose 1, isn't it? If you are adding 1, then what you are getting? 13 cube is 2197. Okay, 13 cube is how much? 197. That means the next number with 3 as one digit will be what? With one digit will be 2. Next is what? 2, isn't it? Now 23 cube will be the value of 12,167. In this way we can guess. Okay, in this way we can guess. Now let me do one more question here. 32,768 is there. So what is the unit place here? 8 is there. That means if it is 8, then that number will be a cube of whom? Cube of 2, isn't it? So with 2 what you will add? 12. 12 cube is not 12 cube is only how much? 1729, isn't it? 1728. That means it is very smallest. It is very small. It is very small, means smaller than the given number. Now if I will add 2, then it will become how much? 22 cube. Now 22 cube is how much? 10,648. 10,600 how much? 48. Okay, 10,648. So this is also less than the given number. That means what will be the exact value? 32. So you will write 32. 3 you will add with 2. 3 you will add with 2. Okay, this number is fixed. This number will be fixed. This number cannot be changed, because if the unit place of that given answer is what? 8, then this 2 will be fixed here. 2 cannot be changed, but according to the number we have to change this value. Okay, the one place you have to value, because if I will write 1 to 8, this means this is what? Unit place. This is ones. We used to count unit ones, 100, isn't it? So the unit place will be fixed. So this was the last question of this exercise. So this was the last question of our chapter cubes and cube roots. So thank you all of you for watching my video, and if you do like my channel, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video I will come with the new chapter. So till that, thank you and bye bye and take care.